Are you fighting with yourself to stay well and to feel good? I want to teach you how to get into heart coherence and how to use it to create, heal, and flourish inside your own life. This is the technology of your body. Heart coherence creates a frequency and a healing atmosphere in your body. And when trained into your system, it becomes a natural way of life. You'll find joy, peace, and a greater degree of love than you've ever known before just by being in heart coherence. Learn how to use heart coherence in correlation to the electromagnetic points and energy systems of your body to release negative emotions, issues, situations, and negative thoughts so that you can have the life that you want. I want you to live in peace, in joy, and in love. You can use this system that was brought to me by an angel. He called it the ladder of awareness to open doors to the life you want while releasing the past that keeps you mesmerized in low vibrations. You're going to raise your vibration and learn the secret to manifestation. This higher level practice of manifesting inside the realm of heart coherence will change the way you live your life forever. Learn how to practice it and use heart coherence in your daily life. Click the link below and get in the course now. I can't wait to see you there.